scientists have finally solved a 20-year mystery, confirming that a 160-meter asteroid struck what is now the North Sea around 45 million years ago, creating the Silverpit crater buried 700 meters beneath the seabed off the coast of Yorkshire. The breakthrough came from rare shocked quartz and feldspar crystals found in rock samples at the crater floor, minerals so severely deformed that they could only have been produced by the extreme pressure of an asteroid impact. The devastation was catastrophic, with the asteroid blasting a 1.5-kilometer high wall of water and rock into the sky before it collapsed back down and triggered a tsunami over 100 meters tall, taller than Big Ben, that would have obliterated the surrounding region. In a stunning twist, scientists had actually voted in 2009 that Silverpit was not an asteroid crater. But brand new seismic imaging, computer modeling, and mineral analysis have now overturned that verdict once and for all.